Hi everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique and welcome to my channel. Don't turn away. I know I may be looking a little frightening. It is Halloween after all. But hey, guess what? I'm tired. And I worked all day and I gotta go to work in the morning and I didn't feel like putting on makeup just to take it off 20 minutes later. So I'm not putting it on. No. If you've seen some other videos, you've seen me go au naturel, you're going to get all of this with pimples and everything. The only thing I got going for me is a lip. But I'm tired, and you're not here to see my face. You're here to see the Jeffree Star Halloween Mystery Box. The middle kid. What do you see in the background? As I like to call it, the BB. And the eldest, right here, the big mama jamba behind me, but we're focusing on the middle kid today, which is the middle grade box. Shout out to Chris Clemens. I'm a Clementine. I love ya. So, what is the middle box, you say? Denise, what comes in it?
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
Great question. I don't remember, so I need to look it up. Hold, please. And with the magic of editing, I'm back. And what I did is I looked this up because I don't remember. But it's the Deluxe box, and it contains 8 mystery items. And how much was it? Oh, I don't remember because it's all sold out. It might have been like 70. I don't know. Who knows? I don't remember. I spent a bunch of money because I got all 3, and I have no idea how much it is. But thanks to Afterpay, if you ever want to sponsor me, I use you a lot. I love you. I was able to get all 3 and make payments out of my checking account, which is how I was able to afford it. Because I'm broke. So, anyways, let's get started. What is in the Deluxe box? So I have... That's Tromper squeaking his toys in the background. He wants to play. Okay, so I have avoided, like the plague, looking at other unboxings because I don't want to know what's in here. I want it to be a surprise for myself. So now that I'm going to film this last one, I can finally see other people's videos because I'm very curious if I got the same things, different things, what exactly came in everybody's boxes. I didn't pay for overnight shipping or anything like that. I just paid for traditional shipping. And when you got Big Mama Jamma over here, it actually was free shipping. So I got this with it and bundled it all together for free shipping, which was a pretty good deal. But I didn't think I was going to end up getting all 3, and I got the BB separately and ended up paying shipping just because I wanted to get the big 2 first and foremost. So, thank goodness for refreshing 1 minute before launch because that's how I got them. So let's open this up together. And you can see I am slicing the tape. This is brand new, never opened. I haven't taken a peek even though it's killing me. As soon as I saw that I got the delivery notification last night, I was like, oh crap, because I was visiting my grandma. So, hold on. I didn't get this corner. Like I said, I'm tired. So just bear with me. You're here for the box, not me. All right, let's see what we have. And in the interest of Halloween, I am wearing my Friday the 13th shirt with Jason, if you can see the sleeve. Oh, that's upside down, Denise. Friday the 13th. At the bottom it says, "You're all doomed." Okay, just thought I'd share that. All right, cool. Black tissue paper. I love it. Oh. First and foremost, it's a t-shirt. It's orange and black. Oh my God. OMG. Oh my God. Yes, this is a Halloween exclusive. Look at this. Can't relate. I've got the hoodie, but look closely. I'm trying to get it so you can see it. The finger snap is a skeleton with spider web nails. Oh my God. I love it. And it's got this orange ombre. Ooh, I am so happy with this shirt. I love it. Oh, perfect. Chomper's in the background making noise again. Okay, so, oh, sweet baby Jesus in the manger. think I got the palette again. I have the mini Jawbreaker palette 3 times now, maybe 4, because it looks like this. It's wrapped oh so nicely and beautifully, and I'm pretty sure I got it again. I got sick again. Okay. Mini breaker. Okay. Oh, I got a gloss. I don't have any. The gloss, it's called Crystal Climax.
That's what she said.
Oh. I do not have any of Jeffree's new gloss line. I'm excited to try this. Get out! Why will you not come out? Ah. Too tired. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. Ooh. I did just, yep. I got it. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let me. I feel like it has a smell, but I don't know what it is. These smells sometimes get me, like I can smell it and I know it's there. Oh, I think it's vanilla. I mean, hey, let me do a little closey-uppy of that. Okay. Super cute. I'm glad to, ooh, look at that shine. And it's not sticky. But that is very pretty. I like that. Ooh! I got a liquid frost. I do not have any liquid frost either. Liquid highlighter. It's called Michigan Ice. If you don't know, Jeffree and Nate have a place in Michigan. Oh, this is also that other packaging where I gotta try to like rip it. Oh, man.
Come on!
I don't like taking it out the top and ruining the label. I'm a little OCD. I don't know. As I struggle. That is the story of my life today, is the struggle bus. I don't think it's meant to be this difficult to get out. Okay, I got it. Okay. Well, I got this part. Now the bottle. Oh, I'm going to have to take it from the top. Damn it. I don't like ruining the labels, but I'm going to throw the box away anyways, so I don't know why I'm trying to preserve it like a weirdo. Okay, that was so much easier just to do that. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, my bottle was open. And that wasn't from me, because it's all crusty like it's been there for a while. That sucks. Also, it looks like it came apart in shipping or packaging, but I don't think it's like ruined or anything. Ooh, this is pretty. This is awesome for Christmas. Oh, not really. I don't need to wear it just for Christmas. I can wear it anytime. Look at that shine. There. Very pretty. That's my first one. I don't have any of those. I am a little upset that it came off in packaging though. But I will survive. Hey, hey. Oh, a velour liquid lipstick. What color do we have? Christmas cookie. I don't know what this one looks like. I guess this came out last year. Oh, I love the like pink, brown, nude tones. So this is right up my alley. I'll totally wear this. This is the Christmas cookie. Super cute. Love it. So far, everything is very wearable in this one. Oh, I got another lip ammunition. And this one is snow cone. Okay, I'm feeling a very wintry vibe. We got Christmas cookie, Michigan Ice. I already forgot. Snow cone. What color is this? Oh, it's like, well, so far all my lip ammunitions are sheer. So I'm going to say it's sheer as well. See what color it is. So, it smells vanilla-y too. Cute. It's like this green sheer with shimmer to it. So it would look good by itself or over another color. Let me put Michigan Ice over here so you can see what it looks like. The Skin Frost. Oh, a lot comes out. Yeah, but see how it came out? I mean, I'll live. I should stop whining. But I like to whine. Okay, so I put way too much on my hand, and half my palm is going to be covered in it because I cannot gauge how much I really needed. A lot. A lot came out. Look at that. That shines beautifully. Very pretty, very pretty. But now I have it everywhere and have nothing to wipe it off with. How about tissue paper? We'll do that just to get it kind of off my skin because I'm going to transfer it and get it on the shirt and then be sad and probably cry. Okay, cool. So I got a Skin Frost, but it's in the orange and black unicarton. So this must be a Halloween exclusive. Ooh, Mystery Frost. Check that out. Mystery Frost. Oh, Jeffree. You're so cute. And then on the back, it says Mystery Frost. So let's take a look. Oh, I think I accidentally saw this a little. It's like orange with black flecks. Take a look at that. Ooh, I wonder what that looks like. Like orange and gold and black flecks. Since I got blue all over. So I rubbed one part of it and a lot of gold comes off. But if I rub another part, I wonder if a lot of the brown comes off. Oh, yeah. So one part is really gold. Okay. And the other part is really over here, comes off like a nice taupey brown, very light gold. I hate ruining the pans. They're too pretty. I don't like ruining them. Let me just kind of blend it together and see what it comes off with. So the black does come off as well. I don't know if you can see it. Don't mind my crusty hands, but very pretty. Oh, awesome. Oh, God, I do look rough. Sorry. And next, oh, yay. I wonder if it's the same one as the other box or different. It's a hand mirror, dun, 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 in the orange and black carton, and it is sealed. Let's take a look and see what she is. I love opening brand new packages. It's such an awesome feeling to be like, oh, hello, brand new. However, the struggle bus of me opening anything tonight is very real. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, hello. Oh, God. I almost knocked it out of its container. So this is like a nice foamy made to fit holder for the mirror. And it's the orange and black Halloween exclusive. Very nice. Very nice. So altogether, I got the mirror. Love. The Michigan Ice Skin Frost, lip ammunition, velour liquid lipstick. I got the Mystery Frost. And then I got the Mini Breaker palette and my awesome t-shirt, which I'm deathly afraid of getting anything on it right now. But again, my can't relate with the skeleton finger snap. It looks awesome. So what a great box. Everything is very, very wearable. All the colors are extremely wearable. It's not like I got anything crazy where I'm like, oh gosh, I'm never going to wear it. I definitely can wear all of this. So so far, I love all my boxes, but out of usability, the medium box, the deluxe box is actually my favorite because everything is so wearable for everyday use for me. I love it. So Thank you for joining me while I open the deluxe box and putting up with all my struggle bus issues and dealing with me this evening. If you aren't following Wonderland Boutique on Instagram and Facebook, all the links will be down below. Make sure you follow and like us. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. I hope you like this. Leave me a comment below with your thoughts on the products and if you scored yourself a Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box. Thanks again. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye. Chopper! Leave it! Mommy will play when she's done! Just give me a few minutes! I love you!